Hi everyone, there are YouTubers who are making videos to get maximum watch time and subscriber for their YouTube channel. They spend hours of hours in making attractive videos and try different techniques and different tips and tricks so that they may get the attention of subscriber at their YouTube channel, but there is no benefit. They use different tips and tricks to get millions of subscribers on their YouTube channel. Ultimately, they leave YouTube because there's no views on their videos. When there come no views on their YouTube videos, they are so much dejected that they decide not to come again at YouTube. Getting views on YouTube is rather a tricky job. Today I will tell you how to get maximum views on your YouTube channel. You know that YouTube has auto-suggest feature which all YouTubers use. This is YouTube auto-suggest feature. If you people will type any of the word here, YouTube will suggest you that these are the keywords which a lot of people are searching there. YouTuber also use this auto-suggest feature to get views on YouTube channel. A new YouTuber also used the same feature, but there come no views on his YouTube channel. What is the problem here with this? Today I will tell you that how you can use auto-suggest feature of YouTube to get maximum views on your channel. Because using auto-suggest feature is also rather a tricky job. Not every keyword is for you people. Remember this thing. That not every keyword is for you. How auto-suggest feature work here? I'm going to tell you. First of all, you must keep in mind that what is the topic of your video. You people are making video on any of the topic. Today my topic, let's suppose, is YouTube SEO. So I will type here YouTube SEO tutorial. YouTube SEO. Now here you people can see that YouTube itself is giving you people a lot of keywords. Now let's suppose that I take here one word, that is YouTube SEO tutorial. I copy this word YouTube SEO tutorial and I will check this in keyword inspector. I will ask you people to install with IQ extension in your Chrome browser. Now we will do a keyword research in YouTube auto suggest feature. We search here YouTube SEO. Okay, YouTube SEO 101. Before using this keyword, we will check competition of this keyword. YouTube SEO 101. We will check competition for this keyword in keyword inspector of vidIQ extension. It is saying that although it has low competition, but there is also very low search volume, so this keyword is not for us. Look for something else. Let's suppose YouTube tags. YouTube tag. That's also another keyword, and now we will search competition for this keyword. YouTube tag, it has 5,000 something search volume and has very high competition, so we will again never use this keyword for our YouTube video. How to rank on, okay, how to rank on YouTube. Now this is the keyword. We will check competition for how to rank on YouTube. How to rank on YouTube. It has medium competition, but it also again has 4,900 search volume. Again, not a good keyword for our YouTube, especially if you are a new YouTuber. We will search for YouTube SEO. Okay, it's suggesting us YouTube SEO 2022. Let's check it. Keyword is YouTube SEO 2022. It has 61,000 search volume and has low competition, so it's a very good keyword for our video. We will copy this keyword YouTube SEO 2022. Again search for more keywords. YouTube video. Okay, YouTube video SEO. We will check this YouTube video SEO. YouTube video SEO, it has 35,000 search volume and has low competition. So again, it's a very good keyword for us. It's also suggesting that YouTube SEO, it also has low competition with a very high search volume. So again, we will copy these two words because these are good keywords to get maximum views on your YouTube videos. Viewers, my purpose was to tell you people that not every word in keyword suggest of YouTube is for you people. Remember that YouTube will suggest you all those keywords which people are searching irrespective of their search volume. There are some keywords which has very high search volume but also has high competition. There are keywords which has high search volume and low competition. If you people want to rank your videos on the first page of YouTube fastly and quickly, so do proper keyword research and never blindly follow YouTube auto suggest feature. Do proper keyword research. Choose those keywords which has high search volume and low competition. Especially if you are a new YouTuber, then keyword research is very important for you people. The purpose of every YouTuber is to get maximum revenue from YouTube. But despite spending hours on YouTube, when there come no views on their channel, people become dejected. They leave YouTube. If you want to get maximum revenue from YouTube, do proper keyword research. How was my video? Do tell me in comment section. Don't forget to like, subscribe and follow my YouTube channel Wonderlog.